Material master creation is backbone of SAP MM. If this is wrong, purchasing, MRP and accounting won't work properly. Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In today's session, we learn material master creation step by step. So let's start. What is number range? Now let's understand what number range is. In SAP MM, a number range is a predefined interval of numbers. For example, from 1000001 to 1000999. This number range is used to uniquely identify SAP MM documents and master data, such as a purchase requisition, purchase orders, and material master records. Whenever we create a document in SAP, the system either assigns the number automatically or the user enters the number manually, but it must be within the defined number range. This helps avoid duplicate numbers and ensure that every document has a unique identity in the system. Purpose of number range. Now let's understand the purpose of number range in SAP MM. First, number range prevents duplicate document numbers. Each document gets a unique number, so the same number is never repeated. Second, it helps in easy tracking and reporting because every document has a unique number. It becomes easier to search, track, and generate reports. Third, number range ensures systematic data management. All documents are stored in proper sequence, which keeps the system organized. Finally, number range is mandatory for document creation. Without defined number range, SAP will not allow the document to be created. Now let's discuss the types of number range in SAP MM. The first type is interval number range. In this case, the system assigns the number automatically. The user cannot change or edit the number. This type is mostly used in SAP MM, especially for documents like purchase order and material documents. The second type is external number range. Here the user enters the number manually, which creating a document. However, the number must be within the defined number range. Otherwise, the system will not accept it. So, interval number range is systematic controlled and external control ranges, and external number range is user controlled within limits. Now, what is material master creation? Material master creation in SAP S/4HANA MM is the process of creating and maintaining a central master record for a material in the system. These master records store all the essential information related to a material and is shared across multiple SAP modules such as MM, FI, SD, PP, WM. Because of this integration, the same material data is used for procurement, inventory management, production, sales, and accounting, ensuring data consistency across the entire organization. Now, why material master important thing? So, as a consultant, I always say one thing very clearly. No material master means no business transactions. meet. The material master is mandatory for all key business process in SAP. Without it, we cannot create purchase order using ME21 and we cannot post goods receipt through MIGO, MIGO and invoice posting in MIRO is also not possible. In addition to procurement, material master data is required for sales orders in SD and for accurate stock management and valuation. That's why the material master plays a critical role in ensuring smooth and integrated business operations across the system. Now, how material master is created? In SAP S/4HANA, the material master is created using transaction code MM01. During the creation process, material data is maintained in different views based on the business requirements. The basic data view controls general information used across all departments. Next, the purchasing view is used by the procurement team. The MRP view supports planning and production activities. The accounting view is used for valuation and financial posting. The storage view manages inventory and warehouse related data. Sales view is maintained only if the material is sold to customers. Each view serves a specific department, but together they form single integrated material master record. Next, key levels of material master. Material master data in SAP S/4HANA is maintained at 3 key levels. First is the client level. At this level, basic data is maintained such as a material description, unit of measures, and material group. This data is common and valid across the entire system. Second is plant level. Here we maintain plant specific information like MRP, storage, purchasing, and inventory data. This data can vary from plant to plant. Third valuation level. Third is valuation level, which can be either plant level or company code level, depending on system configuration. At this level, accounting data is maintained such as a price control and valuation class. Together these 3 levels ensure accurate and consistent material data across all business processes. Now, a real-time example. Think of a material master as an Aadhaar card for materials. All departments, whether material management, production, or sales and distribution, refer to the same material ID, but each uses the details prevalent to their own needs. So here is the consultant tip. All the system configuration like material type, number range, and field control is done in SPRO. End user, however, do not touch configuration. They only create the material using MM01. This approach ensures consistency, controls, and efficiency across the organization. So that's all for today's session. Next, we will do a hands-on part of Material Master creation. If you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next session. Bye bye.